Hello friends, in this video we are going to continue with the attributes of HTML. So in previous video we have discussed with the heading tags, paragraph tags. Now we are going to learn new attributes on that. Let's the new attribute, if you want to add a link, if you want to add a link like hyperlink, so basically you can use anchor tag. This is anchor tag and it has the property href, which is used for link. Suppose I want to add https google.com. This is the link. Here is another one, that's target underscore blank. That is if you want to open in a new window, that is target underscore blank. And here you write where it is open, like Google. Just type Google and just see what it shows, the tag. See, it is hyperlink green. If you click on this, it will redirect to the google.com. This is called, if you want to if you want to add any link, that we use for the hyperlink, that is called underscore blank created in the new page. Okay, the next one we are using, going to use an image tag. Let's, if you want to add image, so like image, it's basically img source, emg. Okay, image, it doesn't have it doesn't require image source. You can add anyone from the Google images. I will go to the Google images. I will add any images over there, the Google images. This one, open, copy image link, add this link. To format this to toggle word wrap, this is the, I think, very long, I guess, image. So let's use something, open image in a new tab. This is how much? Yeah, this is okay. So I'm going to use this one, control Z this one, control V this one. Image source, if you want to add height, you can also add height attribute, 50 pixels. If you want to hide weight, I think height should be 50%. It is 50, it will take percent, 50%. And width 50%. Okay, if you're going to run this, it should show the images, I guess. Let's check this. See, it will, if you want to add any image, you will use the tag image source. Okay, and next one, you can use heading, we have done, paragraph we have done, href we have done, image source we have done. And the main one, that is called the order list and unordered list, which is mostly used in creating the HTML pages. And another one, that is called the div tag. So let's start with the div tag. What is div? What is what is the div form? Like, using this div is basically a container. If suppose, if you, I want to create two columns, so just write this div. You need to put class test1. This is div. This is all, always having div have the closing tag, so close this one. This is the particular div, and if I write anything, if like h1 tag over here, h1, and if I write something over there, this is div. This is written over there, right? If this is one row, full row, if you want to partiate this with row, you need to, like, this is first row, and then again we have to divide with two columns. Div class equal to row 1, and row 1 I will put another heading h2. This is testing website. This is main div. We need to remove this one. This is div 1 and we will make div 2. Div class equal to row 2, and again we will put another heading. This is row 2. This is heading. This should be closed. This should be closed. This should be closed. And if we go to the browser and we will check, this is again lining up with the same thing. So we need to do some CSS so that we can differentiate with that. CSS, this is the two column. The first tab we are going to put test one element width 100%, 100%, float left. Okay. Next div we will going to just write float left width 50%. See, both are aligned in the same column. So now this see row, this is that row height. We haven't take the row height too, so let's take the row height too also. Float left and width 50%. So both are in equal position, and we can, for the web pages, we can define with the different two rows, and we can do this like this. If you want to two containers, three containers, four containers, you can just make the first container to be like full width and another one to be dividing into this percentage width like 33%, 25%. You can just add it to divide this into rows. Okay, so this is how we can use the div for the sections. And in the next video we are going to learn about the list and the HTML list, how they are manipulating like listing over there. So in next video we are using the list formation. Thank you so much for watching this video.